Hello everyone, welcome to use Shopify SEO optimization full course. In this course, we are learning how to do SEO with one of the most popular Shopify SEO app that's named SEO and this is totally AI powered SEO tools for Shopify online store, and this video is sponsored by SEO and I recommend all of my subscriber audience or viewers to try this app to find the real result and fix all the SEO issue of your Shopify online store to rank it organically on the search result. Also, if you are running multiple ads campaign but you don't getting that too much perfect result from the ads campaign only due to lower quality SEO, or the reason is that you don't fix the SEO of your Shopify online store, then you can continue this class. And here you can see that I have already improved the SEO score 90, and our goal is to make 90 plus. And you see, the one of the most important reason why it's not going to 100%, the speed score. The store speed score right now not too good. We have to improve it, and the speed score totally different type of technical work. I have already published a playlist how to improve Shopify store speed one by one, and you can check out this playlist on my YouTube channel. And right now we are going to ignore it, but we can do more things in here. If I click on the view checklist, and right now you can see that three important issues and one need to improvement, and let's check on the view checklist. Okay, and we found high row and geo. We found four issues that need to be fixed, and here's the two critical. And on the critical, the site speed very important, and then the page SEO score. We have to improve the page SEO score in 14 blog, and we have to improvement in two type of section like content optimization or two categories and search appearance. And you can see that page speed score 97, page SEO score need improve, and 96 page meta title length need to optimization. So if I do one by one, then these tutorials take too much time. That's why I'm going to show you one page or one product so that you can learn how you can do this by yourself without hiring any SEO expert, or you can learn it or you can do it for your Shopify store. Also you can do this for your clients. So let me show. Okay, so when I click on it, you can see that fix collection page and product page. So I'm going to click on the product page. This is very important, and we are going to show you in one product how we can. First of all, I'm going to open this product. Go back, go to the product section. I want to open this product as a user or customers. So find it, try to find it. Okay, now going to view this product. Okay, here is the product. Now go back the SEO checker and click on the improvement, content optimization, click on the product, and we are going to optimize this product. Right now it's score 67, so click on the optimize. Go back, product, click on it, and just going to show you how you can draw this. Okay, there is a 7 issue to improvement. So first of all, I'm going to click on the auto optimize. Okay, then click on the accept all 91, and let's see what is missing in here. So first, description should add 1 to 4 picture and add alter text for each picture. So we are going to add a image in here. So here I'm going to add one product image with alter text. So that's why I've already opened this product, save as image. Okay, and now going to add this image in here. So click on here, upload or insert image, upload. We can upload it. Just take a little bit time to complete this process. Okay, we have to add alter text, click on the save. Now it's perfect, and let's see the score. You can see 97. So just one thing is required to do, and that is description. Your keyword need to appear in the first paragraph. So our keyword here is the main keyword. This is the main keyword, need to first paragraph. Just add it as text is a, okay, 100%. So you can see how I make it 100%. So you can follow this step and make everything one by one, and your SEO score will be ultimately 100%. And then if you run your ad campaigns, do office SEO or anything to bring traffic or target customers to your website, then it will work smoothly. So I hope you understand everything, how to use this SEO and AI Shopify app to improve your Shopify store SEO and fix all the SEO issue and rank it organically on the search result. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.